frizz or damaged hair? Skog has the solution. Skog Super Hair Repair with rosemary ginseng root for deep nourishment. A ritual of repair straight from nature, and Frizzy Hair Serum for instant smoothness and shine. It's lightweight, non-greasy and 100% effective. 2 drops a day and your hair is ready to slay. Skog, nurture your glow every day because your hair deserves more in ordinary.